Your group is sensor number will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. Iranian missile fragments fell in 7 areas of Tel Aviv, with one hitting a building. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. Iran has launched new missiles. Significant damage has occurred in civilian areas of Tel Aviv, Israel, after a missile attack by the Iranian military injured 6 civilians. Damage in Israel continues to increase. This is Baghdad, Iraq, where a large explosion occurred near the international airport. In Erbil, Iraq, the US military shot down a drone from pro-Iranian militias. In Kuwait, a missile was fired at a US base. Footage shows an Iranian missile sharply turning after an Israeli interceptor was launched. Mojtaba Khamenei agreed to talks with the United States, which the Iranian Foreign Ministry relayed to Witkoff. According to Israeli media reports, Mojtaba Khamenei agreed to end the war under Iran's conditions, and this was reported. However, the authenticity of this information has not yet been confirmed. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard's Central Command says they control the Strait of Hormuz. Hafez Ali-Abadi, Iran's energy minister, dismissed threats against Iran's power plants, saying power production is decentralized and there are plans to quickly rebuild any attacked plants. 3 people were arrested in Semnan province, Shahroud, for allegedly spying on sensitive facilities, according to the provincial police chief. A US Patriot radar in Bahrain was reportedly heavily damaged in an Iranian attack. Philippine Energy Secretary Sharon Gary said that due to disruptions in gas transportation caused by the US and Israel's war with Iran, they will try to increase coal power plant production to lower electricity bills. China has unusually adjusted its fuel pricing formula to reduce the effect of rising global oil prices on its domestic market. Amazon said on Tuesday that its web services region in Bahrain were disrupted due to a drone attack amid the Middle East conflict, according to Reuters. If there is more news later, I will make a video and upload it. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.